Hello everyone. Welcome to our 30 days Python learning series. Day 5. Conditional statements in Python. In the previous videos, we learned about variables, data types, user input, and operators. Today is day 5, and we will learn one of the most important concepts in programming, conditional statements in Python. By the end of this video, you will understand what conditional statements are, why they are used, how to use if, else, and elif in Python. So let's get started. What is a conditional statement? A conditional statement helps a program make decisions. Just like in real life, we make decisions every day based on conditions. For example, if you score above 90, you get an A grade. If you are 18 or older, you can vote. In programming, conditional statements check whether a condition is true or false and then perform actions based on the result. Python provides three main conditional statements: if, else, and elif. Let's understand each one with examples. If statement. The if statement executes a block of code only when a condition is true. Else statement. The else statement runs when the condition in the if statement is false. Elif statement. Sometimes we need to check multiple conditions. For that, Python provides elif, which stands for else if. Let's see an example. Hope you understand the concept of conditional statements. In next video, we will learn about loops in Python. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning Python with me. If this video helped you learn something new, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.